Did you know Samsung phones have a hidden secret codes? Most people never use them. Here are the most useful Samsung secret codes every Galaxy user should know. Let us start with the first one. Code number 1. Open phone app. The first one is probably the most important. Dial *#06#. Instantly, your phone will display its IMEI number. Think of it as your phone's fingerprint. Every phone has a unique IMEI. If you are buying a used Android phone, always check this number. Make sure it matches the number printed on the phone's backs or inside the settings app. If the number doesn't match, that's the red flag. This code works on almost every Android phone, not just Samsung. So it is definitely one you should remember. Code number 2. Hidden camera menu on your camera. Now, this one is super interesting because most Samsung users haven't never heard about it. Just open your calculator. Yeah, open your calculator. Type this number +3001201273 plus. Now, dial this code from the this menu. *#34971539#. If it's work, you will see the hidden camera menu inside. Tap on the first one. You can view the information about your phone's camera, like how many cameras your device has and whether certain camera features are supported. Now, here is something important. I tested this code on a Galaxy A56 and it doesn't work for a hidden menu of the camera, but on older device A24 it's open perfectly. So if nothing happens on your phone, do not worry. Samsung has removed some hidden menu from the newer One UI version. The code number 3, just open the phone app and type this *1234#. This one shows your phone software information. You will see details like your firmware version, the CSC region, and the software build currently installed. This is useful if you are trying to find out which region framework your phone is running, or if you are comparing software information before updating. Code number 4. You can use this code. This next one only works on an older Samsung device. If your phone running One UI 5 or older, try this code *#0283#. It's open the audio testing menu. Here you can test both microphones and both speakers. When you speak into the top microphone, you will play back through the earpiece. Switch to the second option, and your voice plays through the bottom speaker instead. It is a quick way to check whether your microphones or speakers are working correctly. Unfortunately, Samsung removed this menu from the newer One UI version, so it doesn't work on a One UI 6 or higher. But if you're buying or using an older Samsung phone, you can try this secret code. And we're just getting started. The next code is actually one of my favorite because it lets you test almost every piece of hardware on a Samsung phone in just a few minutes. Let's check that one. Now, this is probably the most useful Samsung code ever. If you're buying a used Samsung phone, do not escape this one. Dial *#0*#. If your phone supported, a hidden diagnostic menu will appear. This menu lets you test almost every important part of your phone. Let's go through the most useful one. The red, then green, then blue. This color helps you spot dead pixels, burn in, or display issues that are hard to notice during normal use. If the screen looks clean on all three colors, that's the green sign. Just go back and tap on receivers. Then check the speaker during phone's call. If you cannot hear anything, that may be hardware problem. This is one of the fastest way to test phones before buying. You will also find tests for a camera, sensors, button, and even S Pen and support the Galaxy Ultra model. Basically, this sign menu can save you from buying a damaged phone. Here is another hidden menu, but this one depends on your phone model. Dial star hash 2663 hash. If it works, you will see option related to the touchscreen framework. One option let you update the touch firmware. This can sometimes help if your touchscreen feels unresponsive or after a software update. Just keep it in mind. This only helps with a software related issue. You need to connect it to your Wi-Fi and tap on TSPFW update and wait for a second. Do not close this page until you will see update completed. After that, your phone becomes smoother. The next code is star hash 0011 hash. This one opens a hidden network information screen. You will find technical detail about your cellular connection. Things like signal string, network information, and other diagnostic data. One useful value is the signal string shown in dBm. And finally, my favorite Samsung code. Dial star hash 9900 hash. This open the hidden menu. You will see a lot of advanced options here, so do not start pressing random buttons. The one I actually use it is delete dump state, log cat. Over time, your phone storage temporary system logs. Deleting them can free up a little storage and remove unnecessary diagnostics files. After using it, restart your phone. This is another useful option lower in the list. Battery state reset. This resets your battery. It doesn't not increase your battery capacity and it won't magically repair an older battery. But if your battery percent becomes increased after updates or your phone suddenly starts showing unusual battery behavior, resetting the battery state can something help Android. So, which one of these secret Samsung codes works on your phone? Let me know your phone model in the comments. I'd like to compare which codes still work on newer devices, and if you enjoy discovering hidden Android feature like this, you should definitely watch my next video. I will show you some Android tips and settings that millions of people still don't know about it. And honestly, I use several of them every single day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.